Let's see what you do.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
This is tuna.
Chin?
Tuna.
Is this spice? No.
This is
No.
good.
This is.
It's not chin?
It's no.
No.
Oh, shoulder?
No.
Say it again.
It's a very common thing that you say.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you say?
How
after?
are you?
Yes.
Oh, we say chetori.
Yeah.
Well, he knows.
No, you say.
I knew that too.
You did.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look like you did.
Tuna.
Okay. That was.
That was hard.
So another word is bachelok. Yes. Bachelok.
Cool.
Is a snack.
As a food.
No.
Is it a verb?
No.